everybody, and today I'm going to teach you some basics knowledge about Chinese. My name is Pan. I'm a junior here in Shepherd, and for the starters, we can start with how to say hello in Chinese, and in Chinese it's pronounced 你好, which these two Chinese characters. The first word 你 means you, and the second word 好 means good. So basically they just asking, you good? You feeling good? Or you good, bro? It's like the basic easiest way to say to say hello to a person in Chinese. And if you want to say how are you, like how do you feel? Like we just add a word ma at the end of 你好. So it's 你好吗? So that means how are you? So the ma in the end just make the whole thing a question. So are you good? Basically in Chinese this means are you good or are you okay? Just how is it how are you in Chinese? So 你好吗? And if you say the basic answer for that, I'm fine, I'm pretty good. So we can respond with 我很好. That basically means I'm very pretty good. 我 means I, 很 means pretty and very, and 好 means good, which is we already mentioned before in 你好, which is both means it's the same word that means how, and you just need to say so if the person say 你好吗, all you need to, if you've been doing fine, you just reply 我很好. And then we need to talk about the four tones for the Chinese characters. Like we have for every characters in the word in China, we have tones for those words. Like for example, just the letter A, they have four pronunciation. Ah, 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 ah. So the first sound is going straight as planned, and then you go up, and then ah, then you go down ah. The last sound is ah, it's going straight down. So ah, it's going straight down. And basically, you can, if you're in English, it's gonna just sound like if you use the word what. So it's gonna be what. So that's how four towns work in Chinese. And if you're pronouncing the different towns for the word ah, it can mean whole different meaning in Chinese. And then we need to talk about the numbers in Chinese. Numbers from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 0, 0. So if you want to pronounce a huge number in Chinese, you don't need to. It's unlike English. Like if you don't need to make up another word like 11, 12. Like we just need to add like the single characters with another characters to make up new words. For example, 11. It's gonna be 10 plus 1, right? So we just need to use the words 10 and 1. So that's gonna be 11, which means 11. Or you can start by the word like 28. How do you say 28? You use the number 2 and times 10 and the plus 8. So it's gonna be 28. So it's gonna be 28.